welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are unboxing the Theragun Mini. And if you just caught the fit, I did wear this in my honey's birthday video. If you haven't seen that one, go ahead and click over there and then come on back. If you are only interested in the Theragun Mini unboxing, please stick around because this should be a good one. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so this is the front of the box and my honey is going to open it. Unboxing.
It's a box inside of a box.
Oh, check out the package. Look at that. Feels extra soft.
It has instructions of some sort.
Go ahead and open it. Okay.
And then the charger. Should be USB-C, but that's okay. Some instructions. Okay.
What does that look like, babe?
This talks about our story. Got a little sticker. Introduction to the app. Some basic instructions here. And then you've got your limited warranties and warnings. So standard issue stuff. Let's see. Hopefully it's got a little bit of charge so I can use it real quick. We'll see. Okay, real easy. Nothing to it. Just a case. And a thing in my job. Right?
Look, it looks interesting. Let's see how big it is in my hand. Wow. Feels good.
Yeah.
Feels nice and smooth.
Of course, I don't read any instructions, so I'm just going to try to read it. Nothing.
Well, the blue light came on.
Let's do. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Look at that, actually.
Oh, there's 3 speeds. That's what it is. Wow. Nothing serious, baby. Okay, so long press to turn it on, and then long press to turn it off, and then once it's on, a short press to change the speed. Okay.
Okay, so you press and hold it.
This is the lowest setting. First time. Whoa. That's crazy. Feels weird, actually. Wow, it's pretty powerful. Very powerful. Serious.
Wow.
Oh, goodness,
Okay, let me help you.
wow.
Look at my hand. So does this feel better than me trying to massage you?
It's a lot more powerful, but this is good. Kind of shaking everything up. I have to let get used to that.
Oh yeah, I think I need to use my right hand because my left hand is pretty weak. Okay, here you take back over.
Okay. The red light just came on. It's probably about to die.
It needs to be charged.
Yeah, it just came out the box. We're gonna try the second setting, okay? Oh, it kicks me all the way to my feet.
Look, my hand is shaking.
I feel it in my feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, so if you are wondering whether or not you should get the Theragun Mini versus the, I believe, the Pro, I mean, the Theragun Mini would be just fine. Well, look, we already got fingerprints all over it. So we'll try this one out for a little while.
So interesting thing about this charger, that I saw this little release here for this. This comes off, so I think you can plug in like a different type of charger, and it shows that the input is from 100 to 240 watts, which I believe is like here and maybe Europe too. Okay. So I think you can just get maybe an attachment. Yeah, it's like a little attachment, and then you could probably get a different one if you travel, basically. So that's kind of cool.
Definitely, because in Europe they have like those other notches.
And it's a different voltage too.
Oh, okay.
At least. I guess it's got exhaust for the, I guess for the motor, electric motor, and then just the plug-in. Very simple.
think what you got in